So we recently made a video about how NASA fakes the weightlessness on the ISS, and it just dawned on me that I forgot something. We're not perfect. We do forget things. So I'm sure some of you want to know how they fake the floating water bubble trick. That seems like a tough one until a few years back I stumbled onto this. Now, did those balls look familiar to you? I'm sure they looked a little a little stiff, but you can adjust the mixture to get a softer, more gelatinous type of look. I'm sure some of you aren't convinced yet, so let's take another look. Okay, so now remember, they're performing a parabolic maneuver. They're on the way down. Knucklehead is cued to squeeze it out of the bag. It's pre-packaged in the bag with the right mixture. Now, that type of water gel looks about the consistency of this water mixture about to be made by this woman. So let's take a look, and you tell me if it would look similar in the parabolic maneuver. And if you're impressed by the food coloring, I really don't know what to tell you about that.
So the first step is to take your 1 cup of drinking water and 1 gram of sodium alginate and pour it in. Then take your hand mixer and make sure these ingredients are properly incorporated. Once you're confident that they're properly incorporated, set the mixture aside for 15 minutes to ensure that there are no air bubbles. After 15 minutes, your sodium alginate solution should be ready. So the next step is to take 5 grams of calcium lactate and add it to your 4 cups of water. Then mix well. You want to make sure the calcium lactate is completely dissolved. Once it's dissolved, take your curved spoon and scoop up some of the sodium alginate solution. Then, ever so gently, plop it into the calcium lactate bath. You should see it form into a ball right away. You can repeat the process a couple more times, but just make sure not to crowd the bath. I see them forming. Then, ever so gently, stir this solution for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes have passed, take a slotted spoon and very carefully lift out your water bubbles and put them just in a bath full of regular water to stop the reaction. And there you have it, your edible water bottles. And just so you can see, the inside of these are liquid. And when you're all done, don't forget to reward yourself with a drink.
Well, there you have it, folks. Water balls in space. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't troll now. We welcome constructive criticism, but if you're going to be nasty about it, we will block you. Just after we insult you back.
Don't forget the Alex Jones bitmate. They claimed he's not a shill and we used all old footage. Well, here is a clip from February 7th, 2017. Enjoy, trolls. Cheers.
What did Trump get from Goldman Sachs? Zero.
What did Trump get from Goldman Sachs? Zero. What did Trump get from Goldman Sachs? Zero.
What did Trump get from George Soros? Zero.
What did Trump get from George Soros? Zero. What did Trump get from George Soros? Zero.
What did Trump get from George Soros? Zero.
What did Trump get from other big mega banks like JP Morgan? Zero, 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 zero. He did appoint 3 people from Goldman Sachs out of thousands of employees they have because they were anti-globalist and knew where the bodies were buried.
Got to listen, got to do it now.